Hey YouTubers, here comes another video of snow-covered Upper Peninsula of Michigan. It's going to be some random pictures. There's going to be some food in here. And again, I've been up here a while in the winter. They stack the snow pretty high in places, and I think it's a wonderful place to go check out. I hope you enjoy the video with some music.
People are still ice fishing. That's cool.
Whatever the season, the UP really is beautiful. Here's something I saw at the store that I just thought was really cool. Uperopoly! Trying to do a Monopoly spinoff, but I didn't buy it. I should have. And then here we go. This is a Wellington. I would call it a beef Wellington, but there's no beef in it. It's vegan. Really, really good. At some point there might be a recipe for this, but not currently. Now back to checking out the local scenery. It's getting late in the season and some people are bringing their ice shanties in. I really didn't do any of my normal sunsets, but here's a little bit of one. Here's an ice storm, which seemed to happen quite often. I guess this will have to qualify as some local wildlife. This is a clip from Marquette, which doesn't really belong here, but I like it. As I said before, ice storms happen. Here's another one. Well, we've gotten to the end of another video of places I think are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great and wonderful day.